Today's meal is long beans, salt beef, and smoked chicken. An easy, quick, and delicious meal. Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Feffie. For this meal, we're gonna need a half an onion. Chop it up. You can use a chopper or you can just cut it with your knife. And I know some of you guys haven't subscribed yet, so please click on that subscribe button. Then you're gonna use 3 garlic cloves. You can also chop it with an onion, crush it. And then 2 tomatoes, cut in cubes. And then put it aside. Then I'm going to cut my chicken wings in half. These are smoked chicken wings, bought it at the toko. You can also use smoked boneless chicken breast or chicken legs and even smoked fish. Next, you're gonna add some oil, enough to fry your onions and your garlic. Fry that on medium fire for about 2 minutes. Then we add some black pepper, a little bit of salt. And for those of you that like your food spicy, add some hot pepper or chili pepper, cayenne pepper, whatever you like. Or you can even leave it out for those of you that will feed the kids. Fry this up. I add some salt beef. I love salt beef. And your chicken. That's gonna fry together with the onions and the garlic and the seasonings. We're gonna leave this fry for about 3 minutes. And after that, you add some ketchup. You can also add some tomato paste, whatever you please. Throw in some tomato, stir it up, and also leave that fry. Oh yeah, add some fish sauce. You can leave this out, but I like the flavor of the fish sauce in this dish. And then you leave this fry for another 2 to 3 minutes. After that, you're gonna use 1 bundle of long beans, also bought at the toko. Cut it in whatever size and form you like. Stir it. And then let this cook until the long beans is a bit softer. In the meantime, you can add your rice to the stove. Let that cook. Stir it up. And when you think your long beans are soft enough, about 7 minutes to 10 minutes of cooking, it should be like this. Voila. Some white rice, smoked chicken, long beans, and salt beef. I hope you guys enjoy this easy and quick recipe. And make sure to share this recipe with your friends and family. Please leave a comment behind, like this video, and of course, if you have not already, subscribe. See you guys on my next video.